Lawyers for the suspect in last year's brutal Idaho murder say a woman who lived there has information that could help him. As Dan Springer explains, the challenge is getting her to testify.
2 months away from Brian Koberger's preliminary hearing, lawyers for the man charged with murdering 4 University of Idaho students last November say a surviving roommate can help his defense. Bethany Funk told police she was in her basement room in Moscow, Idaho, through the time of the murders and didn't even go upstairs after the horrific crime was discovered. She was barely mentioned in the police department's probable cause document. But in seeking a court order forcing her to testify, defense investigator Richard Battanti wrote the magistrate, quote, "During the course of my investigation, it became known to me that Bethany Funk has information material to the charges against Mr. Koberger. Portions of information Ms. Funk has is exculpatory to the defendant. Ms. Funk's information is unique to her experiences and cannot be provided by another witness." But Bethany Funk, who now lives in Reno, Nevada, is fighting the subpoena. In a motion filed late last week to quash the summons, her lawyer wrote, "Even if Ms. Funk possesses exculpatory evidence, which remains unknown, there is no place or reason to present that evidence at a preliminary hearing." Koberger is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder. The former criminology grad student at nearby Washington State University could face the death penalty if convicted. There's nothing in the court record indicating how the surviving roommate might help Koberger's defense, and the lawyers for both sides aren't commenting, citing the gag order that's in place. Now, the same judge who issued the subpoena will have to rule on the motion to quash it. In Seattle, Dan Springer, Fox News.